Welcome to the Miele Dishwasher installation video series part 1. In this first video we will cover the site assessment and transport for the dishwasher installation. It is essential to carefully read the installation instructions that accompany the appliance before beginning the installation. Safe operation of the appliance is only assured if it is installed and connected by a qualified technician in accordance with these instructions. Safety. As with any installation, safety must be one of the primary concerns. The installer must wear the appropriate protective equipment such as steel-toe footwear, back support belt, work gloves, and safety glasses. Once you arrive at the installation location, always perform the site assessment prior to unloading the dishwasher from the truck. Again, the first step in the installation process is always the site inspection. Ensure that the proper floor protection material is on hand and ready to be used during the transportation and installation process. So first things first, make sure there is a clear, unobstructed path to the installation site. Make sure you measure all doorways and entrances along the path to make sure there is proper clearance for the hand truck and appliance to fit. Make sure the old dishwasher is removed and there is no debris inside the actual installation niche. Check to see how level the floor and the adjoining cabinets are. This will assist you in correctly aligning the dishwasher horizontally during installation. Make sure the install location meets with what is shown in the provided installation manual and specification sheet. So now, let's go ahead and check the actual niche for height, width, and depth to make sure it matches with what is in your installation guide. Again, always make sure you are referring to the installation guide for the specific model being installed. Next, make sure there is room for you to make an adequate cutout inside the bottom niche wall and inside the adjacent cabinet floor that will allow for the electric, water, and drain line to be passed through when time to connect. It is recommended for the hose to be routed below and through the cabinet base. This will help to avoid the machine pinching the hose through the side access. Running the lines as low as possible will help avoid possible kinks when pushing the dishwasher into the niche. Also, when making these cutouts, make sure they are as clean and smooth as possible, as this will avoid possible damage to the drain, water, and electric lines. Next, ensure that the electrical, water, and drainage connections are located in the adjacent cabinet. Make sure there is a separate water valve for the dishwasher water supply. Now it's time to check that we have the correct electrical power. Electrical power requirements are 120 volts AC, 15 amps, 60 Hz. When applying electrical power to the appliance, always make sure to exercise extreme caution. The dishwasher comes equipped with a 5-foot 6-inch power cord with a molded plug for connection to a 120 volt 15 amp grounded receptacle. Now it's time to check the dishwasher water supply for the proper pressure. Water pressure must be between 4.35 and 145 psi, 0.3 to 10 bar. The dishwasher water inlet hose is approximately 4 feet 11 inches long and comes equipped with a 3/8 inch female compression fitting for full-size dishwashers. The dishwasher drain hose standard length is 4 feet 11 inches or 1.5 meters. This can be extended to 13 feet 1 inch, 4 meters maximum. Extension and couplings can be ordered through your local dealer or by contacting Miele Parts. Before beginning, make sure all necessary material and parts are on hand to fully complete the installation. Since the site passed all of our pre-checks, it's now time to transport the dishwasher off the truck and into the installation location. First, place floor protection in front of the installation site. Make sure the dishwasher box is secured on the hand truck. When transporting the dishwasher off the truck and into the installation location, make sure you are looking and moving forward with the hand truck so you can safely see and confirm a clear path. The only time you should be moving backwards with the hand truck is when you are passing through a doorway threshold or up a small step. Safely place the dishwasher onto the floor protection and next to the install location. We are now ready to move on to the next phase of the install. This concludes part 1 of the dishwasher installation, site assessment, and transport video. All of the information covered in this video can also be found in the provided step-by-step installation guide. Be sure to watch part 2 of the dishwasher installation video series, Unpacking the New Dishwasher. Thanks for watching.